Patrick's Day, and it is part 2 of South by Southwest for me. And yeah, so today we're going to this block party, and then after the block party, we're going to probably pregame and then go to this event. I gotta show y'all this event, and I'm not really sure what it is. Like a lot of the events, I just kind of go with the flow and see like what is it gonna give. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna take y'all on a ride. Do want to show y'all my outfit real quick. So here's my outfit. So I had to put a jacket on, but I might have to put on my puffy jacket because I don't know how cold it's going to get tonight. But yeah, I do got my boots on. So this is what it's looking like. So this is the South by Southwest crew.
I'm sold out.
The weather is a little tricky right now.
Very much
It's
so.
cold, y'all.
It was giving summer last weekend. Today it's giving fall, but it's okay. We got this.
But this is our St. Patrick's Day looks. Bye, bye, bye.
Little green teas. When
When you forgot your green.
Don't pinch me.
But yes, so we're supposed to go on a boat. So, right, in that car. But we're supposed to go on the boat tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the morning. And I'm going to show y'all the weather so y'all know why we looking like this. But, all right. We decided to stop at Chick-fil-A to get some food before we start our night.
Chick-fil-A stuff.
Yeah.
Smoke the garage out. I know how I feel, the bitch you love fucking bomb now. Rushing while you cheating, using water to get the calm out.
So now we're at the pregame, y'all. That's us?
That's us. On the second floor. Wait, hold on. Let me get a video.
I thought it was 3.
What's up, y'all? No, I think it's 213.
Y'all, this is my best friend.
Period. We're in Austin, Texas.
Woo! St. Patrick's Day. Y'all, we take pictures. Y'all want to do this? How you doing hands free? All right, here. Okay, all right. I'm gonna just record a video. I'm gonna pull it up. We're on our way to the first
Yeah, it's St. Patrick's Day.
You guys want to start a tab? You have a tab?
I want to cosplay.
You guys are good on the sodas. I'm just trying to. You guys are good.
Okay, so we're on the way to the boat.
Don't know if we're going for summer or winter. But
Yes, we definitely got swimsuits underneath
it's swim.
to take some pictures at least. But all right, we'll catch y'all in the car. Bye bye.
I bet that is an investment to get a boat over here.
It's west.
Baby John's in the car. She say it's cold. Got the blanket. Blankets is full on deck.
They gotta come on because I'm not missing it.
Yeah.
Boom. I got socks on.
Y'all, so now it's time. The man finally made it here to check us in.
And let's see what it's popping for.
We got our covers, our coats.
Yeah,
I need that.
sandwiches.
Our double jackets, our socks.
And we cannot forget, let me get to it. We got TT.
We got.
So this is gonna be our heater for today.
So who do y'all think is gonna be the drunkest? No, not me.
Oh yeah, I would say you.
I think Jalen's gonna be the drunkest.
Yeah.
Let me prove them wrong, y'all.
Last
Jalen,
night it was
see.
me, so
We'll
I
see.
gotta redeem.
Y'all got that was faster, that's okay. As soon as something goes in there, we charge y'all $500.
See, I can tell from this shit, man, you got this shit that you tell you something. Listen to this song, kinda make a nigga your life. I run a game and call your dreams, getting your brain, teach your game. These things, stupid things. Put you on some leather seats while blowing pills, switching lanes.
Put that on that first.
My friend got her foot wet. Alright, y'all, it's time to go.
Spring break cruise.
Oh no!
Jordan! Man, you know, when Austin spring break, it's cold, but it don't matter because we drunk in a motherfucker.
I need somebody to hold my purse right now. I don't know.
So, y'all, we are fresh off the boat.
Cheddars it is. Sweet tea.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some hydration back in my system. Water with lemon for the win.
Y'all order ribs and steak.
Yes, sir. We're gonna come back and show y'all our plates.
Look at the time. Look at the time. Look at it. Oh wait, nigga, do you see this big ass rib? She about to punish that hoe.
Alright, y'all. So we are in the Uber right now, and we are headed to 6th Street.
Yes, we had to take a little intermission. We watched TV, took a little nap. Jalen's in the front over there. Jalen?
We took a good nap.
It was okay. I need another one. But.
We're gonna let y'all know how 6 is looking, give y'all some footage. Y'all, we done spotted Zeus.
Nah, for real.
Oh, scared me.
Y'all, we done found Zeus.
Yeah, that's Zeus right there. He can see the
You the
shot.
one who was on there with Tommy and she was fighting and stuff.
Nice to meet you, sir.
We just paying people.
Zeus that
Why you telling me you
was on last night.
Y'all, we with the Zeus people.
disclose information like that.
So, Natalie just came out this bus. We're gonna get a picture with her and show y'all. Y'all remember Bad Girls Club? We're here.
Bad girls.
That's what that pizza box probably is.
Y'all, I'm shaking like a sausage. That looks good in the Damn, I'm in. Oh, okay.
Have to make sure I lock the door. Oh, yeah.
That was funny because I'm really going up the stairs, but I got the blanket around me, so I just really
In the background.
in the.
Say cheese, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.
Drive
I
safe.
had
We
fun.
enjoyed you.
Side by Southwest Part 2 was so good.
Right.